Tragedy struck again on South African roads today as another school transport caught fire, sending shockwaves through the community. Thankfully, all 12 children on board managed to escape the flames, but the relief is tempered by the fact that 4 of them are reportedly in the hospital fighting for their lives. Eyewitnesses described chaotic scenes as emergency services rushed to the scene, working tirelessly to contain the fire and assist the young passengers. Authorities are investigating the cause of the fire, while parents and locals are left shaken, calling for stricter safety measures to prevent such heartbreaking incidents in the future. Our thoughts are with the children and their families during this incredibly difficult time. The whole country was left shaken and wondering what is really happening with school transport, because we are still mourning the death of 13 learners that lost their lives in the Vaal accident, and now here we are again crying with families that were left shaken and scared, not knowing what to expect next, because this is really getting out of hands. And what do you think should be done to avoid these accidents that are happening, especially concerning children, school transport? Please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section.